if you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been traveling around Australia for the last 2 years part-time. So to catch up on all our older episodes and new episodes in the future, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe. So on our walk around the big roundabout, which I like to call it, we've met Rich, who has been decking out vans for how many years now? 6 years. And he's on his 5th. Is that right? He's on his 5th now. Now, we are very lucky because he's going to show us through 1 or 2. We're going to do 2.
We do the both. Yeah.
Both, yeah. We're going to do 2 vans. Now, one is his older van, and then he's got his most newest van, and then there's one coming. It's getting made, and it's going to be even better, he tells me. All right, so you ready to take me through?
Okay, boss.
Let's do it. So this is the first van. So what brand's your van?
Toyota HiAce.
Yep. And tell us some of the features.
Well, we have it's decked out fridge, slide out kitchen, hot water service, external shower. Yeah, it's...
So can I pull your fridge up?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is where he keeps his fridge. That's fridge and freezer, or
No,
just fridge?
Yep. The upgrade is dinky dye.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Up. And then your power, batteries, everything's all kept under there.
The fuses and everything.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you got some really nice. I love your wall paneling. Looks really good. And then you got your power hub.
Yep, with the hot water you can electric 240 or just on the gas.
Awesome. And you got all carpet inside. That looks good. And heaps of storage, but I can see wherever you can get storage, you got it.
Yeah, it's pretty handy.
Yeah. And then I see you got your fly net up.
Fly wire curtains.
Yep. That's always handy, isn't it? And then you got your light on the side. That helps. That's something we don't have at the moment. Ours is flat. Yeah. And then do you want to go around the back and we'll have a look at the back? So this is the back, and one of the first things I did notice was your camp oven, and we've been cooking with ours this weekend. How awesome is that? Got a big storage spot for that.
Can't go without.
You got to have it. And then what else have you got here?
This is the hot and cold water and the bayonet fitting for the gas for the...
So you can hook up a shower.
No, this is for the kitchen only.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So it's simple.
Fantastic.
Couple of pipes.
Yeah.
All good.
Yeah, because that's right. Because then your kitchen
it slides out.
Look at this. Who would know that this was tucked away inside? Look at the benches too. Just beautiful. Good workmanship, man. That's really good.
Pretty good.
Yeah. And then what else have we got?
Another storage.
Look at that. And this is what you need, you know.
A must is a train saw.
Yes. I've seen all your firewood over there. If I can zoom in there, check these logs out. Best fire ever. Anyway, but yeah, fantastic. All right, so let's go over and check out. Oh wait, there's still more.
Yeah, the gas hot water service.
Yep.
Where you just flick that switch, turn the gas on, flick the switch, and it automatically comes on. Gas storage and an awning and the external shower.
Yep. So you got this awning just pops out, and then you can actually have a shower outside.
Yeah, you just undo that, and it's got the faucet and the
fantastic.
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I really like it. And so you put all your windows in and all.
Yeah, this one. Yep.
That's so cool.
Same as the old one. Yeah.
How do you feel? Well, one thing I've always wanted to know: how do you feel when you're cutting into your van for the first time? Do you get nervous?
Oh, you need a couple of beers.
Yeah, a couple of beers. All right. So this is the one you made just before this one, yeah?
Oh,
a few years before?
I did this. This is my original one.
Yep.
My friend bought it.
Yep.
And we redid it. So I'm going back to this kitchen, the drifter kitchen on my new one.
Yep.
Yeah, brilliant.
So what makes this kitchen so good? Is it just it's lightweight?
No, it's just it's a beautiful finish, and it's got the return that comes back out.
Okay.
Like all this stuff.
Yeah.
No, I really like them, so I'm going back to that. Yeah.
Yep. And then you come up with this idea about the back hammock that just hangs over the
back
top
awning, yeah.
awning, sorry, that just hangs up there.
Yeah.
And then
Alexis made that. Yeah.
oh, Alexis, what a great job. Where is Alexis? She's run away because we're filming.
Pretty much.
Yep. And this is their dog Honey too.
Yeah.
Hey Honey. Yes. So and so what's in the next van you're gonna do? What do you think you're gonna add extra that's gonna
No, it's 90% done. I'm going
Yep.
back to finish off next weekend. It's
Yep.
a different setup. The drifter kitchen, a big 95 litre fridge at the back.
Wow.
Yeah, and different finishes. The posh.
Posh. We're gonna call it the posh.
The posh.
The posh. All right. Well, thank you so much for showing us around your vans. These are awesome. Now, hopefully one day soon, you might be making these for people, yeah? One day soon, maybe?
Yeah. Well, that's the plan.
Yeah. So we might come back and revisit down the track and see where you're at.
Yeah, another month and I'll have the next one all up and
Already
going.
up and
Yeah,
go.
posh is budget.
Definitely got to come check it out. All right. Well, thank you so much. And hopefully we'll see you guys soon.
Too easy, oh mate.
Ciao. So how cool was that? Checking out those vans, just walking around, talking to people. It's amazing who you meet, and they were so interesting. Well, that's it for another midweek episode. Thanks, guys, for watching. Our merch is out now if you want to purchase any of it. We've got mugs, T-shirts, hoodies, like the one I'm wearing, and also wind sheeter. So if you want to check them out, and even a tote bag, just scan the code right there. It'll take you straight to our merch site. Or otherwise, you can go down into the description and you'll find a link there. We will be on live chat this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our latest episode. So we hope to see you then. And until then, make sure you have a good week. See you guys.